guys, welcome back to another episode of summer special. So if you are watching me for the first time, then make sure you go and click the red subscribe button down below and also tap on the bell icon so that you will be notified for each and every video that I will be uploading hereafter. So today's video is going to be my Sunday summer skincare routine. Okay guys, you might think that why am I showing you Sunday skincare routine? I cannot do all my 10 steps of skincare routine on the other days. I cannot do that daily, so I usually do this routine only on Sundays. Actually, I work at home. I can even do this on any other day. I might miss doing this if I keep the routine on any other day. So I thought Sunday will be the best day to do my routine, and this is what I'm doing for the past 2 or 3 weeks I guess, and I feel like my skin is getting better. I have no makeup on, no foundation, no nothing. I feel like my skin is doing little bit better because of these routine that I do. If you want to know what are the things that I use and how I use it, what is the procedure, what is the order and all those things, keep on watching. The very first step is cleansing. For that I'm using the Neutrogena acne wash. This is especially for acne prone skin. I have a lot of acne. Initially I got some pimples, but after that this was really a perfect face wash for me. I cleanse my face at least 3 times a day, so make sure you're cleansing your face at least 3 times a day using face wash. And I just massage this into my skin and I make sure that my skin is really cleansed properly, and then I wash off with water and I pat dry my face with a towel. Do not rub your face, just pat dry. For the second step, most of the time I use natural face pack. So for today I used the papaya face pack. For that I have made a thick paste out of papaya and milk. Papaya is good for your acne. It moisturizes your skin, it clears pigmentation, it is good for wrinkles and dark circles, and also it acts as a tan removal. Papaya is rich in fibers, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Milk is really a good cleanser. It tightens your pores, it makes your skin smooth, it gives a glow to your face, and also it soothes your wrinkles and fine lines. And once it is dried, I just washed it off and then I pat dried my face. For the third step, I'm using the Kronokare Polish the Blemish face scrub. I apply this all over my face and I exfoliate my skin really well. I do this routine only once in a week. If you scrub your face daily, then there is a chance of drying out, but I scrub my face daily at least once in 2 days using the Neutrogena daily scrub. In that the particles will be very small, but in this it has really huge particles, so I do this only once in a week. This is really an important step. Once I washed the scrub off, I used the skin of papaya and I rubbed that all over my face, under my eyes and everything, because it clears out the pigmentation and soothes wrinkles. Next up, I used the Mondsub charcoal peel off mask and I applied that on my nose and on my chin. Initially I used this all over my face, then I realized if I apply this all over my face I got a lot of whiteheads, so I stopped doing that. I started applying this only on my nose and on my chin, and this really works well in removing the blackheads. Meanwhile it is drying, I applied scrub on my lips. I used sugar and a little bit of milk and applied that all over my lips. Actually it was so tasty. Then I just removed it off using a wet wipes. My lips felt really good after exfoliating it, and after this I peeled off my charcoal mask. There were some black things on my nose, it was not peeled off properly, so I just washed it off with water. So yes, my blackheads gone. Then I pat dried my face. My skin looked really good and it felt really awesome. For the next step, I'm using the Biotique toner. Toner is especially to tighten your pores and also to remove the dirt. So I removed my dirt using this toner. You can use any toner. So this is the toner I've been using since a long time. So I'm loving this toner. I used a cotton pad and I soaked that with this toner and I just rubbed it all over my face, leaving my eye area. I used this facial oil by Bloom and Actually, it was completely over. There is only a little bit left on the bottle, and I applied that all over my skin. This makes sure that my skin is really hydrated, and I love this. Next step is moisturizing. So for that, I'm using the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream. This is really very lightweight, and I applied this under my eyes and also all over my face. I do have wrinkles and fine lines under my eyes, so this is really a must for me. So if you don't want to use this wrinkle lift, you can use any moisturizer. You can use the one from Nivea, Cetaphil, or any moisturizer that you love. Make sure you massage your skin really well. That is really important. With all the steps, you should massage your face with a scrub, with a cleanser and everything. Just massage your skin. The next step is applying your sunscreen, but I'm not going out today, so I skipped my sunscreen. But if you are going out, this is the must. And comes the last step, moisturizing your lips. For that, I'm using my most favorite Nivea lip balm. You can use any lip balm. So on that day, I used my Nivea lip balm. And yes guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked this video, and this is the routine I do only on my Sundays, not any other day, because I cannot do all these steps daily. I've been doing this during my winter time, because during winter I really had so bad skin. I had a lot of breakouts, a lot of acne, and my skin was drying out so badly. So I have been doing all these steps every day during winter. But now I thought, okay, I can do this only on Sundays because my skin is doing better. Touch it. So yeah, my skin is doing better these days. So I thought I can do this routine only on Sundays, but I do not skip this routine on my Sundays. I just do this like for sure. I also do my day and night skincare routine, which is not too tedious or not too difficult. There will be like only 4 to 5 steps or even 3 steps on my day and night skincare routine. I will upload that as well. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Keerthi.